Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make egg and sausage breakfast sandwiches. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 4 eggs, 4 English muffins, 4 slices of American cheese, a pound of pork sausage, a quarter cup of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 3/4 teaspoons of pepper, a half teaspoon of crushed rosemary, a half teaspoon of dried thyme, a half teaspoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of sugar, and some cooking spray. We'll start by spraying a medium nonstick skillet with cooking spray and heating it over medium-high heat. Then we'll mix our pound of pork sausage and 3/4 teaspoons of salt and pepper and half teaspoon each of rosemary, thyme, onion powder, garlic powder, and sugar. Then we'll form 4 sausage patties. I'm going to use a cookie cutter to help mine keep a round shape, but this isn't necessary. You can form them with your hands. Once we formed our patties, we'll place them in our preheated skillet and allow them to cook for 5 minutes per side. Once our sausage is done cooking, we'll place them on a plate and wipe out any grease with a paper towel. Then we'll reduce heat to medium and spray our pan with some additional cooking spray, as well as some cookie cutters to cook our eggs in. We'll crack our eggs into our rounds and break them with a fork. For each batch, we'll add 2 tablespoons of water to our pan. We'll then cook them covered until the eggs are over hard, about 3 minutes. After our sausage and egg is done cooking, we'll split our English muffins with a fork and toast them in a toaster, or broil them in our oven. We'll spread a half tablespoon of butter on the bottom half of our muffin, place on a slice of American cheese, a sausage patty, an egg, and top with the other half of our English muffin. We'll serve these warm. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.